Hello everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to export your track in BandLab. So what I'm gonna do once my track is done is go all the way over here to the hamburger icon. I'm gonna click that, go to project, and go all the way over here to where it says download. Now here we're gonna be given two options, tracks or mixdown as. Tracks are simply the instrument part by itself. This could be your guitar track, your synth track, your drum track, etc. And mixdown as is the entire song. So let's go to mixdown as, we'll click here, and we're gonna have the option of 4 different file types. We can have a WAV file, which is the highest quality file, or all the way down to an M4A file, which is the lowest quality. For this example, I'm gonna click the lowest quality, but you can pick whatever you want. Next thing I'm gonna need to do is save it to my downloads folder. Great. Now I can X out of that, and I can go to my download folder, and I can open it up. Press play, and we have our song. Thank you so much for watching, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.